getting the Subarus ready for winter. Just did the oil changes, and now it's time to change out the wiper blades on the Crosstrek. So as you can see, this one is starting to peel off, so they're definitely due. So as most of you know, wiper blades are getting pretty expensive. So for the soft blades for this, even the cheap ones are $10 a piece. If you want good ones, they go all the way up to $25 a piece. So why not try Temu wiper blades? That's right, they're about $4 each. I got the set right here. They came pretty quick, and they actually seem like they're pretty good quality. Let's open them up and take a closer look. So here they are, and they seem to be pretty nice, pretty similar to the ones that are on there. I mean, they feel lightweight. They got the little green protectors on them, so I'll pull those off after I install them. So let's throw them on and see how they work. Okay, so this is the first time I've replaced wiper blades on this car. And as many of you who already know, were probably wondering if we were going to run into problems, and we sure are. So you can see these are the Temu wiper blades, which would work on a standard wiper blade arm. And this is the super special Subaru one that's different than any I've ever seen. So this hooks in here completely different. So these are not going to work. So another big fail on Subaru on this project. Not that they have anything to do with the Temu blades, but just that the fact that they don't want you using standard stuff to force you to buy expensive stuff from them. I ran into this same problem on the tailgate shocks when they wore out. They are a custom shock for the back. So then instead of being able to buy $10 shocks for the back hatch, I had to buy $100 shocks for the back hatch. So I've loved my Subarus. I've had our Legacy now for about 6 years, maybe 7. That has been a really good car. And the Crosstrek has been a really good car too. Like, they're mechanically just so sound. But I just hate this pattern, which I know a lot of companies are doing, where you just have to buy specific parts from them more and more. So big fail on Subaru for that. Still a fan of the brand, but way to put you in a bad situation. Now we got to spend extra money just for wiper blades. Temu!